I don't know if you can see, but in the back camera right now, there's a woman on her phone. Look at her. She's got a phone in her hand, and she's, I don't know, checking out her selfie, her hair. Oh, she's still doing it. Oh, we're doing 20, 30k an hour. Okay, now she's just whizzed past me at 70 odd kilometres an hour. She's cutting it, and she's still on her phone taking selfies. Nice on the motorbike. You heard him accelerate to get through that, eh? Yeah. Oh! Any lane. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh! And he mounted the curb, I think. Oh! Did you just see what he did?
Too many questions about the numbers. Eventually, you and your people will think of your...
Cool, it's the same rotation, same movements. Holy shit, he just went from the left lane straight. Oh, what the hell was that? There's another hero. It's 40, mate. Unreal.
It's no right turn here, man. It's a no right turn. I don't get that. Sign says.
Big concrete pumping dude. That poor learner's like
Yeah. Well, the pump's not allowed to do that straight up.
Yeah.
And now look what the poor learner's doing.
Reversing to an intersection.
Oh my god. Is that on my dash cam?
Is it a wide enough angle? Yeah.
I don't know if I got that.
Hey, look at this player.